Alright, this started coming on News Center 1. They're hilarious. I hope I don't get a copyright strike for this.
We should see if we can get the rights to that as our new theme song.
Oh, yeah. We walk out, buzz in my butt.
We'll have them write season 11's theme song. That's right.
Yeah.
Carolyn from the Traders at More Hot
I love this. Oh, what in the world?
Are you waking up in the morning with a sore jaw, headaches, maybe even ringing in your ears, all because you're grinding and clenching your teeth at night? That's exactly what was going on with me. I end up going to
It went through the TV. Oh my god, that's amazing. Oh my god.